Picture this. You step out of your stunning curved roof home, walk across a beautiful patio, and dive into your private swimming pool surrounded by landscape paradise. All of this in a structure that costs you 40 to 50% less than a traditional luxury home. Sound impossible? It's not. Today I'm revealing the ultimate dream home. Luxury Quonset Barndominiums with swimming pools and jaw-dropping exterior designs that will make your neighbors stop and stare. And if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you about a company that can help you build this dream at surprisingly affordable prices. Let's dive in. But first, if you love unique luxury homes and alternative housing ideas, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss our content. Drop a comment below telling me, would you live in a curved roof barndominium with a pool? I want to hear your thoughts. Now let's get into it. What makes a Quonset Barndominium with a pool so special? A Quonset Barndominium is a home built using curved steel arch panels that create a distinctive semicircular roof. Think of it like half a cylinder laid on its side. Now imagine adding a luxury swimming pool, modern landscaping, and high-end exterior finishes to this already unique structure. You get something that's not just affordable and durable, but absolutely stunning. The curved roof isn't just for looks. It's incredibly strong, can handle extreme weather including 140 plus mph winds and heavy snow loads, and gives you completely open interior space with no support beams. This means your interior floor plan can be anything you want. When you add a swimming pool to the exterior, you're creating an entertainment paradise that combines modern luxury with industrial chic design. These aren't your grandfather's metal buildings. We're talking about luxury barndominiums with designer exteriors, resort-style pools, custom patios, and landscaping that rivals million-dollar estates. The difference? Your total cost, including the pool, might be $300,000 to $500,000, while a similar traditional luxury home with pool would run $600,000 to $900,000 or more. The real costs. Let's talk numbers. I promised you honest information, so let's break down what this actually costs. I'm giving you 2025 pricing based on real builds and current market rates. For the Quonset Barndominium structure itself, a 40 by 60 building, which is 2,400 square feet, costs approximately $38,000 to $48,000 for the kit package, $8,000 to $12,000 for custom end walls with windows and doors, $14,400 to $24,000 for foundation, and $10,000 to $15,000 for assembly. Your shell total runs $70,400 to $99,000. For interior finishing to luxury standards at 2,400 square feet, expect spray foam insulation at $9,600 to $14,400, interior framing and drywall at $28,800 to $38,400, luxury flooring like hardwood or high-end LVP at $24,000 to $36,000, gourmet kitchen with high-end appliances and granite or quartz countertops at $40,000 to $60,000, luxury bathrooms with premium fixtures at $30,000 to $45,000, electrical systems at $16,000 to $24,000, plumbing at $14,000 to $20,000, HVAC at $12,000 to $18,000, interior doors, trim, and paint at $18,000 to $25,000. Luxury interior total is $192,400 to $280,800. For the swimming pool, an in-ground pool 12 by 24 feet, which is 288 square feet, costs $38,000 to $65,000 for vinyl, $60,000 to $85,000 for fiberglass, and $50,000 to $100,000 for concrete or gunite. For a luxury resort-style pool at 16 by 32 feet, or about 512 square feet, expect $70,000 to $110,000 depending on material and features. Pool features and amenities add up. Pool heater at $1,500 to $6,000. Automatic pool cover at $8,000 to $20,000. Pool lighting at $700 to $1,800. Waterfall or water features at $2,500 to $8,000. And pool house or changing area at $5,000 to $15,000. For exterior luxury finishes and landscaping, patio and pool deck at 300 to 500 square feet runs $6,000 to $25,000, depending on materials like stamped concrete, pavers, or natural stone. Pool fencing costs $1,500 to $10,000. Professional landscaping with plants, trees, and irrigation runs $10,000 to $30,000. Exterior lighting and ambience features cost $3,000 to $8,000. And custom in-wall design with modern windows and doors adds $15,000 to $35,000. Additional costs include permits and engineering at $3,500 to $8,000. Well, and septic if needed at $15,000 to $35,000. And driveway and site prep at $8,000 to $20,000. Total project cost for a luxury 40 by 60 Quonset Barndominium with resort-style pool. Basic luxury version with vinyl pool runs $350,000 to $450,000. Mid-range luxury with fiberglass pool costs $420,000 to $550,000. And high-end luxury with concrete pool and premium finishes goes $500,000 to $680,000. Compare this to a traditional 2,400 square foot custom home with pool. Traditional home at $200 to $300 per square foot costs $480,000 to $720,000, plus pool and landscaping at $80,000 to $150,000, for a total of $560,000 to $870,000. You're saving $110,000 to $290,000 with a Quonset design while getting the same or better square footage, pool, and luxury finishes. Luxury exterior design options that will blow your mind. This is where Quonset Barndominiums really shine. The curved architecture gives you a blank canvas for creativity. Let me show you the hottest luxury exterior design trends. Modern industrial chic features matte black or charcoal gray steel panels, floor-to-ceiling black-framed windows, concrete or natural stone accents on end walls, sleek minimalist landscaping with ornamental grasses and architectural plants, geometric pool shapes with infinity edges, and LED strip lighting under eaves and around the pool. Rustic modern farmhouse includes classic barn red or weathered gray steel, board and batten accent walls on the end sections, large sliding barn doors as design features, wraparound porches with wood beams, natural freeform pools with rock features and waterfalls, and lush cottage-style landscaping with flowers and shrubs. Contemporary luxury showcases bright white or light gray steel panels, massive glass walls on one or both ends, modern flat roof overhangs extending from the arch, pristine rectangular pools with glass tile, minimalist desert or tropical landscaping, and integrated outdoor kitchen and lounge areas. Coastal modern design uses light blue-gray or sandy beige steel, white trim and accents, nautical-inspired railings and fixtures, beach entry pool with natural stone coping, palm trees and tropical plants, and weather-resistant teak or composite decking. The key to luxury exteriors is in the details. Custom end walls are critical. Instead of basic metal end walls, invest in architectural designs with large windows, modern doors, stone or stucco facades, and integrated covered porches. This transforms the barndominium from utilitarian to upscale. Pool integration matters. Position your pool to take advantage of views from inside. Add glass doors that open the living space to the pool area. Create a seamless indoor-outdoor flow with matching flooring materials. Install a covered patio area that extends from the building for shade and entertaining. Landscaping elevates everything. Professional landscaping is worth every penny. Strategic trees provide privacy and shade. Ornamental plants soften the metal architecture. Lighting creates ambience and drama at night. Pathways connect different outdoor zones. The landscaping makes your Quonset Barndominium look like it belongs in Architectural Digest. Design flexibility and customization. The beauty of Quonset Barndominiums is ultimate flexibility. Because there are no interior support walls, you can create any floor plan. Want the entire back wall to open to the pool? Done. Need a second-story loft overlooking the pool? Absolutely possible. Prefer separate wings for bedrooms and living spaces? Easy to configure. Common luxury layouts include open concept at 1,800 square feet with great room, gourmet kitchen, master suite, 2 guest bedrooms, and 2.5 baths. The entire back opens to a 500 square foot covered patio and pool area. Split design features 1,200 square feet of living space on one end and 1,200 square feet of entertainment space, including home theater, game room, and bar on the other end. The pool sits between the two sections with glass walls providing views from both sides. Two-story luxury has 1,600 square feet on the main floor with open living, kitchen, and master suite, plus 800 square feet upstairs with 2 bedrooms, bath, and loft overlook. Large windows face the pool and outdoor living area. Size options work for any budget. A compact luxury at 30 by 40 or 1,200 square feet with a small plunge pool runs $220,000 to $320,000 total. The sweet spot at 40 by 60 or 2,400 square feet with a full resort pool costs $350,000 to $550,000 total. For a estate living at 50 by 80 or 4,000 square feet with a massive pool and outdoor entertainment area, expect $600,000 to $850,000 total. Pool design integration tips. To create a truly luxury result, the pool must feel integrated, not added on. Here's how professionals do it. Match your aesthetic. If your barndominium has modern industrial vibes, go with a sleek rectangular pool, geometric shapes, and concrete coping. For rustic farmhouse style, choose a freeform pool with natural stone, maybe a small waterfall, and cottage landscaping. Create sight lines. Position the pool where it's visible from main living areas. Install large windows or glass walls. The view of the pool from inside adds to the luxury feel even when you're not swimming. Extend the roof line. Consider adding a flat roof overhang that extends from the Quonset arch over part of the patio. This provides shade, creates architectural interest, and helps transition from the curved building to the pool area. Use transitional spaces. A covered patio between the house and pool is essential. This is where you put outdoor furniture, dining areas, and lounge spaces. It makes the pool feel like part of the home rather than a separate feature. Consider indoor-outdoor rooms. Some luxury Quonset Barndominiums include a pool house structure that matches the main building. This provides changing rooms, bathrooms, storage, and outdoor kitchen facilities. You can even build a matching smaller Quonset as the pool house. Add water features. Luxury pools need more than just water. Waterfalls, fountains, jets, and bubblers create movement, sound, and visual interest. LED pool lights that change colors add drama at night. A spa or hot tub adjacent to the pool creates a resort experience. Maintenance and longevity. One huge advantage of Quonset Barndominiums with pools is the low-maintenance building structure. The steel doesn't rot, never needs painting, and resists fire, termites, and extreme weather. Your maintenance focuses on the pool and landscaping, not the building itself. Pool maintenance costs $115 to $350 per month, depending on whether you do it yourself or hire a service. This includes chemicals, cleaning, and equipment checks. Annual costs for the building itself are minimal. No roof replacement, no siding repair, no termite treatments. You might spend $500 to $1,000 per year on general upkeep. Compare this to traditional homes where you're constantly painting, replacing siding, fixing roof leaks, and dealing with wood rot. Over 20 years, the Quonset structure can save you $30,000 to $60,000 in maintenance costs. Who is this perfect for? This living setup is ideal for several types of buyers. Empty nesters who want luxury without the high price of traditional custom homes love this design. They're downsizing from large homes, but refuse to compromise on style or amenities. The single-level option with a pool is perfect. Young professionals and entrepreneurs who work from home appreciate the unique aesthetic and lower costs. They can afford a luxury home with pool years earlier than they could with traditional construction. The open floor plan works perfectly for modern work-from-home lifestyles. Vacation property investors find these perfect. Build a luxury Quonset Barndominium with pool in a desirable location for $400,000 and rent it out for $300 to $500 per night. The unique design attracts renters, and the low maintenance keeps costs down. Entertainment enthusiasts who love hosting parties and gatherings get the ultimate setup. The pool, patio, and open concept interior create an entertainment compound that can handle dozens of guests comfortably. This might not be for you if you're in a heavily restricted suburban HOA that prohibits non-traditional architecture, if you need traditional home aesthetics and can't appreciate modern design, or if you're in a market where unique homes don't sell well. Financing and building timeline. Financing a Quonset Barndominium can be more challenging than traditional homes, but it's absolutely doable. Construction loans typically require 20 to 25% down. Once construction is complete, you can refinance into a conventional mortgage. Some builders work with lenders who specialize in alternative construction. Having detailed plans, 3D renderings, and a clear budget helps immensely with lenders. Show them finished examples of luxury Quonset Barndominiums. Demonstrate that these aren't just metal sheds, but legitimate luxury homes. Building timeline is impressively fast. The shell can be erected in 2 to 4 weeks. Interior finishing takes 3 to 6 months for luxury finishes. Pool installation takes 2 to 4 weeks for fiberglass or 6 to 12 weeks for concrete. Total project from breaking ground to move-in ready typically runs 6 to 10 months. Compare this to 12 to 18 months for traditional custom home construction. The company that can build this dream. Now, as promised, let me tell you about a company that specializes in Quonset Barndominiums. Steel Master Buildings has been manufacturing Quonset hut kits since 1982 and has completed over 50,000 projects worldwide. They provide the engineered shell system with all panels pre-drilled and ready to assemble. Their buildings are made from commercial-grade galvanized steel designed to last decades. They ship nationwide and provide engineering that meets local building codes. While they provide the shell, you'll work with local contractors for interior finishing and pool installation, but their building specialists can guide you through the entire process. Challenging than traditional homes, but it's absolutely doable. Construction loans typically require 20 to 25% down. Once construction is complete, you can refinance into a conventional mortgage. Some builders work with lenders who specialize in alternative construction. Having detailed plans, 3D renderings, and a clear budget helps immensely with lenders. Show them finished examples of luxury Quonset Barndominiums. Demonstrate that these aren't just metal sheds, but legitimate luxury homes. Building timeline is impressively fast. The shell can be erected in 2 to 4 weeks. Interior finishing takes 3 to 6 months for luxury finishes. Pool installation takes 2 to 4 weeks for fiberglass or 6 to 12 weeks for concrete. Total project from breaking ground to move-in ready typically runs 6 to 10 months. Compare this to 12 to 18 months for traditional custom home construction. A luxury Quonset Barndominium with a swimming pool isn't just a dream. It's an achievable reality that saves you massive money while delivering a truly unique lifestyle. You get a head-turning home that's built to last 100 plus years, costs 30 to 40% less than traditional construction, requires almost zero exterior maintenance, and includes resort-style pool and outdoor living that rivals luxury estates. The key is working with experienced builders who understand both Quonset construction and luxury finishes. Don't skimp on the details. Invest in quality pool installation, professional landscaping, and custom end walls that elevate the design. When done right, your Quonset Barndominium with pool will be the most talked about property in your area. So tell me in the comments, what's your dream exterior design style? Modern industrial, rustic farmhouse, contemporary luxury, or coastal modern? What size pool would you want? And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury alternative housing content, and share this with anyone dreaming of building their own unique home with a pool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.